I want to give you today a very easy product and tips for your skin that will not break your bank, that you can have and easily and will improve the quality of your skin. First, many times people think that when we talk about skincare, we only talk about the face. But the skin is actually our largest living organ that covers all our body. So we should take care of all of it, not only the face. And there's tons of natural and low-cost products that you can use for your whole body. But before I begin, I would like to pay attention to the fact that the skin is different in any part of the body. The skin on the face and the skin on the body are different. There are numbers of difference on different skin parts of the body that we should take care of them differently, because the skin on your face is different than the skin on your elbows, and I'm sure you know that. So some difference or some elements that we want to take into consideration when we talk about different skin types are: one, the thickness of the skin. Think of the difference in skin thickness on your eyelid, which is around 0.5 millimeter, and the skin in the sole of your foot that can be up to 5 millimeter. The skin has different thicknesses because it has different demand, place, and uses of the body. The second element is the oiliness of the skin, the oil. The skin on the face has a lot more oil glands on it and than other parts of the body, and the oil or sebum has different function. It helps lubricant and hydrate the skin, that it contains antioxidant and bacteria fighting qualities. Another thing we want to think about when we think about different parts of the skin is the number of other glands, like the skin under the arms, in the groin and in the ear canals have special glands that produce this type of sweat that we can smell. That's why we use deodorant, natural deodorant. And it's called apocrine gland. The sweat itself doesn't smell bad, but it changes when it comes out into contact with bacteria that lives on all of us, and this produces the smell. Another thing is the amount and type of hair on the skin area. The density of the hair on facial skin is actually quite high, but most of the hair is very fine and hard to see. And that's another thing we want to think. And there's some major difference in the skin in different areas of the body. And that's why we use different washes, hopefully, for the body and for the face, different products for the body and for the face. But I want to give you today 3 products that will, again, not break your bank and will change your skin quality. Dry brush. This, I'm sure you've seen it before. It can be like both in a very cheap price. There's different type. There's only one with a head. There's one with a full body, whatever you like. What it does is it removes the dead skin on the body, and it encourages renewal of new skin cells, which makes the skin smoother and brighter. And it can also help when you have a hair that grows inward, it's kind of this cleaning effect from removing the dead skin cells, but it's also making the blood circulation in the body goes faster, and it's help the detoxing. So what you do with this is very simple. You go from low to up, and you brush it on the skin with this kind of motions on a dry skin. You can go all over your body, blah blah blah. After that, I like to do it before the shower, and then I will shower and put some oil on the skin, because now the skin is very receptive. Another tip, make your own body exfoliators. It might sound like a hard thing, but much work, but it's seriously very simple. And you can use like household ingredients that you probably use. You can use it in the shower, like, you know, on your arms, your feet, your legs, whatever you like, your hands, everything. You can use different recipes. In my blog on my website, you can see do it yourself. You will find there tons of very simple recipes, like sugar scrubs or strawberry scrub, vanilla scrubs, mint scrubs, a lot. And I always will guide you to use simple ingredients that will not cost you much and that you probably already have in your kitchen. Number 3, coconut oil. So in general, I would prefer, if I only use the butter or the oil, to use shea butter on the skin. It contains more minerals and it's better for the skin. Yeah, for many reasons. But when I do use coconut oil when I formulate the face creams, but it's together with other ingredients. But coconut oil on its own, if you already have it in the kitchen, you can use it for your body. So you can use it as a moisturizer on your body, not on the face, because on the face it will block the pores. So on the body you can use it as a moisturizing. On your face you can use it as a makeup remover, actually. Like a little bit of coconut oil on your face and wash it. When you use it on your body, use it after the shower. So you can make this routine that you start with a brush, you go to the shower, and then you can either put coconut oil or other body oil that you like. Massage it into the body and see how your skin looks and feels. Pro tip, if you're suffering from dry and damaged hair, cover your hair in some melted coconut oil and leave it overnight. Just make sure you sleep on a towel or something so you don't make too greasy off your bed. And it's like this leave-in conditioner, and then in the morning you wash it off with your products. So these are like 2-3 simple tips that you only need like to invest few dollars or euro in a brush and oil you maybe already have in the kitchen, and make your own exfoliant. So you can start with this. Get in the shower, exfoliate your body, come out and put some oil. Simple, right?